Man, everything's righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. If I can do it, you can do it.
All right, so let's see what we're working with. Moment of truth. Moment of truth. Let's see what we got.
What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Car Reviews by KJ, and we're back at it again with another lit video about Chevy LS swap. It's like part 5, man. I've been trying to keep y'all on track with me, so y'all stay tuned. Let's get it.
All right, so this is my 5.3 4L60 setup. As you can see, I already cleaned this side. Now check out this side. That side black. That's all oil and grit. But look at this side. Clean. This took me probably like 20-30 minutes to do. So I'm gonna do that side. It's kind of harder to get to since it's over there in the cut. But I'm gonna get to it.
You see my harness back there? I took my harness off. That's my old transmission. That's my alternator over there. I'm gonna clean that up too.
And here go my coil pack rail. Coil pack rails right here. You see me, I got on flip-flops, yes sir. But yeah, I gotta clean those up. But I've been using a steamer. Good old elbow grease, man. This is what I've been using. This right here is a Goof Off. It worked pretty good. Got it from Home Depot. I've been using this alcohol. And then I got this degreaser right here. Engine degreaser. As you can see, I took off my fan, so all you really need, shout out to Swaps. I took off my fan, I used the crescent wrench, and I put vice grips right here. I clipped it on the vice grips, and then I let the vice grips go over here so it can have something to, hold itself on. And then I kind of put the crescent wrench on and hit it off, and it popped off like this. So shout out to Swaps Performance for telling me that in the comments of the last video. But as you can see, I got everything taped off. That's electrical that could get damaged. Coil packs and everything. I mean, not coil packs, my bad. Injectors. But yeah, it's coming along. It was super dirty. The engine was all black at first. That was just from grit. And I told y'all I was gonna wait to open it up. So let me show y'all this too. So this is my alternator bracket right here. I'm gonna respray this, so my alternator bracket with my power stand attached to it. I gotta respray it, make it look a little better. I'll probably just go black, call it a day. Can't never go wrong with black on the engine. Yeah, I wanted to come show y'all this before I get back started, because once I get started, man, I can't be stopped, and then I just keep going. And then before you know it, this engine gonna be clean and it's gonna be done. I ain't gonna have nothing to show y'all. So I wanted to show y'all the before and after. I might try to get some footage in. I got my little setup over here. I'm listening to my iPad while I'm working. Show y'all this too though. This for anybody new to the channel. So if you're new to the channel, that's what we do. Now, this is my first LS swap. So listen, I know y'all may feel discouraged and think y'all can't work on cars, or you got to take it to a mechanic, or you might not have a technology, but really, man, everything's righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. If I can do it, you can do it. So get out there, take off them parts, put them parts on, save you some money, because these shops out here to get you, and they're gonna take forever to get your car out the shop. So go ahead and start doing stuff yourself, and to save you time, money, and everything. Well, maybe not time, because it's hard to get, but it'll save you money in the long run. And plus, you can start doing it on the side. You can have a little side hustle or something like that. But yeah, let me get back to work, and I'll turn y'all back on. Yes, sir. All right, y'all, this is what I got so far. She is coming to life. Gotta take your time, man. I had to put this over there for splash proofness, Too much stuff getting everywhere. But you see it's coming together. Should be all silver here pretty soon. I mean, this gonna be black because that's what color it come. But I cleaned up the fuel rail. You see the fuel rail pretty clean. Starting on the transmission too. Back here, extra caked up. So yeah, we're gonna get it right. Yeah, we're gonna get it right. If y'all wondering what this is seatbelt holding it in place. I'm about to go pick up some shoes. I just seen some on OfferUp, so I'm gonna go get those, and then I'll be back. Hopefully it's not nighttime by the time I get back, because I also need to clean my car for cars and coffee. But see those fuel rails coming together, valve cover coming together. So once I get this area kind of clean, I'm gonna use the steamer, get it clean as I can, and then I'm gonna go ahead and take off the valve covers and I'm gonna wash them. I'm gonna wash them to make it, you know, make it all clean. Go from there. Yes, sir.
All right, y'all, so it's a new day, but as I promised, I got the engine as clean as I'm gonna get it for right now, but then I'm gonna put some pressure wash. I'm gonna use the pressure washer on it, and then I'll go ahead and take off these valve covers.
But my last video I told y'all I was gonna take the valve covers off so we can see the inside of the engine, and people was excited about that. So I'm gonna go ahead and open that up right now, and then I'm gonna go to cars and coffee. Let's get it. All right, so let's see what we're working with. Moment of truth. Moment of truth. Let's see what we got. Oh, that thing, boy, that thing clean. I ain't know it's gonna be that clean. Let me see the underneath. Underneath. I can use a little wash. It look like is it no gasket in this thing? Oh yeah, I got a gasket, but that gasket can be replaced. But yeah, that's what it looked like inside. It's the inside of that bad boy. It's not too bad. I'm gonna keep the top back on it though, just so it won't get no surface rust. But yeah, not too bad though, honestly. I seen worse in a couple videos. I mean, it need an oil change, you know, but oil is oil. It can only stay like brown, not black for so long, so I'm cool with it. Let's see, rockers look good. They sturdy. Okay, all right. Well, I'm excited, y'all.
So, y'all stay tuned for the next video. I'm gonna be putting the headers on, and I'm gonna clean it up. I paint the valve covers. Drop in the comments what color you'll paint the valve covers if you had to decide. I'm thinking red because I got red spark plug wires. And plus, like, if I get my car painted, whatever car I get my car painted, the red and black, it always match when you open the engine bay. So, plus, like, air filters, they come that color and everything. So I think that'd be a good accessory color. And plus, my favorite color, black and red. So, can't go wrong with that. But yeah,
I actually got the headers in the house. So I had the headers on next video. I had a valve cover painted. And I'm gonna try to clean up all of this a little bit better. And I'm about to also spray, so I got some more degreaser. I'm about to spray on the transmission. But I pretty much got this as clean as I can get it with brush and everything, with a brush and some alcohol and some, you know, elbow grease. But I couldn't get in here too good, so I need to scrub in here or either use an actual like hot pressure washer and get all this grime out of there. And also got to get the front of my timing cover housing. I got to get that clean. But yeah, next video, headers on. You know, we're gonna keep it grinding, man. I just had to get this stopping point, and
we'll holler at y'all on the next one. Peace out.